India has made a significant leap in its defense technology by successfully testing a new hypersonic missile, named the Extended Trajectory Long Duration Hypersonic Cruise Missile, or ETLDHCM. Developed under the Defense Research and Development Organization's DRDO Project Vishnu, this missile stands out for its remarkable speed and range. ETLDHCM can travel at 8 times the speed of sound, reaching Mach 8, which is approximately 11,000 kilometers per hour. This is more than double the speed of the current BrahMos cruise missile, which operates at Mach 3. What truly sets the ETLDHCM apart is its striking range. It can hit targets as far as 1,500 kilometers away, a significant upgrade from the BrahMos missile's original range of 290 kilometers, later extended to about 450 kilometers. This extended reach, combined with its blistering speed, marks a strategic leap for India's military capabilities and expands its ability to deter threats across a broader region. The ETLDHCM is powered by a scramjet engine that uses air-breathing propulsion. Unlike traditional engines that rely on rotating compressors, scramjets draw in atmospheric oxygen, making them lighter and more efficient at hypersonic speeds. This technology enables the missile not only to travel faster, but also to maintain operational stability and accuracy even when subjected to extreme temperatures, up to 2000 degrees Celsius during flight. Designed with modern warfare in mind, the ETLDHCM is built for stealth, precision, and flexibility. It can carry a substantial payload, ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 kilograms, and is capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear warheads. The missile's low-altitude flight profile helps it evade radar detection, making it a formidable tool for striking critical infrastructure, even in challenging terrains. Its guidance system ensures high targeting precision, which is essential for minimizing collateral damage and achieving strategic objectives. A key feature of the ETLDHCM is its adaptability. The missile can be launched from various platforms, land, sea, or air, offering the military flexibility to respond to different scenarios. Moreover, it can alter its trajectory mid-flight, allowing it to adapt to dynamic battlefield conditions and avoid interception. This cutting-edge development comes at a time of heightened global tensions. Ongoing conflicts, such as those between Israel and Iran, and the deteriorating relationship between India and Pakistan, have underscored the need for advanced deterrence capabilities. Additionally, Turkey's growing alignment with Pakistan has influenced India's decision to accelerate its defense modernization efforts, not just with the ETLDHCM, but also with upgrades to other missile systems like BrahMos, Agni 5, and Akash. Currently, only a handful of countries, including the United States, Russia, and China, possess operational hypersonic cruise missile technology. If India's ETLDHCM continues to perform successfully in tests, the country will join this exclusive group, cementing its status as a leader in indigenous missile technology. This achievement not only enhances India's defensive posture against immediate neighbors such as Pakistan, but also positions it as a strategic player in countering China's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific region. In summary, the successful test of the ETLDHCM reflects India's rapid progress in defense innovation. By combining extreme speed, long-range stealth, and adaptability, the missile represents a formidable addition to India's arsenal and a significant step in ensuring national security amid evolving regional and global challenges.